Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to replace your Ford Fusion side mirror. First, let's gather our tools. You'll need a flathead screwdriver, a trim removal tool, and a new side mirror assembly. Safety glasses and gloves are also a good idea to protect yourself during the process. Having everything ready beforehand will make the replacement much smoother and quicker, saving you time and effort. Now let's get to removing the old mirror. Begin by carefully prying off the interior trim panel. This usually just snaps into place. Once exposed, disconnect the electrical connector. It often has a small tab to press. Then, unscrew the 3 mounting bolts. With those removed, the damaged mirror assembly should come right off the door. Take your time to avoid scratching the paint. With the old mirror off, it's time to install your new one. Carefully position the new mirror assembly onto the door frame, aligning the bolt holes. Insert and firmly tighten the 3 mounting bolts. Next, reconnect the electrical connector, ensuring it clicks securely into place. Before reattaching the trim, test the mirror's adjustments and any heating elements to confirm everything works correctly. This ensures a successful installation. For our final steps, carefully reattach the interior trim panel. Make sure it snaps securely back into its original position, covering the bolts and wiring. Give the new mirror a gentle shake to confirm it's stable and all connections are solid. This entire process usually takes about 30 to 45 minutes, and now you have a fully functional, safely installed side mirror. Great job!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.